Every new update for Windows 11 in 2026 is causing some kind of issue. We haven't had any feature update yet for Windows 11. We only had the security updates and the patch updates, and these updates are meant to fix the Windows 11 issues. Instead, opposite is happening. They are causing more issues. For example, the first update in 2026 in January introduced one major bug where you couldn't shut down your PC. When you click on shut down or hibernate on your PC, instead of turning off the computer, it would just automatically restart. There were some other bugs too, like remote desktop authentication error and Outlook freezing. And then we get the second update in February, KB5077181. This had a internet connection related issue. Even if you were connected to the internet, it would say connected, but the internet won't work. It will just say no internet. It was because system was failing to pull a valid IP address via DHCP. It's a network management protocol that automatically assigns dynamic IP addresses and configuration settings to device. Basically, this thing was not doing that and it was broken. And in some cases, the Bluetooth option was also completely disappeared from the Action Center where you have the Bluetooth toggle to turn it off or on. So because of that, you had to go deeper inside the settings and then use the Bluetooth from there. Now we have another security update for Windows 11 in March. It's KB5079473. Surprisingly, it also introduced a new bug for some users. This update was available just recently. I think it's been 1 or 2 days. Maybe there are more bugs to discover, but the thing is, every new update for Windows 11 in 2026 is causing some kind of issue. For this update, someone is having a constant restart after installing this update every 10 minutes. And the worst part is you can't delete this update, or he meant uninstall this update. And that's not all. There are many other new bugs this update has introduced. Like some gamers are experiencing a blue screen of death when playing big game titles like Fortnite, Elden Ring, and Apex Legend. And it looks like it has to do something with the Windows kernel. Because most of these games use a anti-cheat that are kernel level. They have the access to the kernel. So maybe after the new update, that kernel is rejecting the anti-cheat or something, or maybe some other conflict is happening. And because of that, system just gives you the blue screen of death. This is actually real. Right now, I have stopped playing Valorant. There is a really popular free game called Valorant. I used to play that game a lot. When I had that game on my system, I would occasionally get my system frozen and also blue screen of death. And I know for a fact that it was because of the Valorant anti-cheat. Okay, it's been almost more than a month. Yeah, more than a month. I have uninstalled it from my system, and I never had any freezes on my system and no blue screen of death. So the anti-cheats that has kernel level access, they kind of give you trouble sometime. I have noticed that. I have actually tested this multiple times. Okay, so right now I just don't play that game because I'm just out of it. And some people can't even install this update because of the .framework file becoming damaged or corrupted, and they get this error. Mouse lag, delayed system startup, and some even lost the Wi-Fi and audio drivers. I have been trying to make a dedicated video on a bug that I have been getting on my computer. Luckily, I have recorded a video, but I should have recorded a real life video for this because the video that I recorded seems normal because there is a mouse movement going on here. But basically, I'm going to play the video here. I'm going to explain what the problem is. Right now, you can see the task manager is opened. Everything looks normal. The CPU, memory, disk usage, GPU, everything is just normal. But my system is not usable. There is a mouse lag. Just if I move my mouse once, it will take a couple of seconds, like 5 seconds to move that mouse. If I want to open any application, it would just not open because there is a delay. Like it's it feels like the system is out of sync. Luckily, I managed to open the task manager. Took me almost like 2 minutes to open the task manager because it was kind of impossible to move mouse around. And then I also launched the snipping tool. Also took 1 or 2 minutes to launch. And I just barely managed to hit the record button. And after that, as you can see here, at the top, under my mouse, there is a pause recording option. So that's a snipping tool that I'm using to record this video. And I'm struggling to manage my mouse to move to stop recording button. Okay, that's why I'm just guessing, I'm moving mouse just slightly and then just waiting for mouse to actually move to that place. And then again, another guess. So this is what's happening right now here on the screen. I'm trying to stop the recording. Yeah, finally I found it. You can see here, and then I stopped the recording. This has happened to me twice. I'm not gonna say this update introduced this bug. Maybe I'm the only one who's getting this, but I didn't see similar issue online. First time I just had to force restart my computer. I just force restarted and it was all normal. And second time I decided to record it. I should have used my phone to record it because you would actually see what's actually happening, the lag and everything. In recording, it looks like everything is normal again because the task manager also shows everything is normal, but I was struggling to move my mouse and I was struggling to use anything on my system. And surprisingly, after I'm done recording this video, it automatically unfroze the system and the system became responsive again. So maybe it was something to do with the graphic driver. Maybe my graphic driver had some issue. I didn't update my graphic driver, so maybe that could be the reason. The lag issue that I'm having feels like you're getting 1 FPS on your system. So just imagine that, okay? It's really slow. Kind of weird bug, but if I encounter this again, I'll document this even better and I'll use my phone to record. And we haven't had any feature update yet. So imagine getting a new feature update with this track record. I can't wait for my computer to get roasted. Yeah, it's actually truly scary. Imagine you can't use your internet and you have no technical knowledge on how to actually manually enter all the things that you need to enter for network to work because DHCP thingy is not working. So yeah, it's scary. And yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or if you have faced any issues with the Windows 11, then let me know in the comments. What are the issue? Just explain it in the comments. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.